Hey guys, thanks for clicking on this video. If you enjoy what you see here today, make sure to give a like, maybe leave a comment, and subscribe for more content. And with that, here's another video of being Johan. Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Thanks so much for watching, and as always, it is greatly appreciated that you're here. Today's vlog is all about a chocolate tour that my family went on, and my family really enjoyed it. We got to learn a lot about Belgian chocolate, the history, the sources. We got to learn which was good, which was bad, what was our favorite. We even did some chocolate making in the middle of the tour, so I highly recommend taking a chocolate tour if you're out in Brussels, because you might learn something, and also free chocolate. Anyways, I know this vlog is short, and I apologize for that, but regardless, I hope you guys still enjoy. All right, with that, I will see you guys at the end of the video. Later. Alrighty, so before the chocolate tour, we actually got to go on an abbreviated tour hosted by my uncle who lives in Belgium. We do wish we got to hear the full tour, but this was really great. Fun fact, this food market was originally a bank. Also fun fact, this hotel hides a secret. There is an old city wall from, I think, the medieval times. Now we're back at La Galerie Royale to learn more about its history. By the way, definitely try out D'Endroit, it's so good. That says the Gallery of the Queen, or the Queen's Gallery. Now we're doing a quick lunch break before continuing. I believe my uncle was saying that this place, more or less, was the center of Brussels and therefore Europe. Not really sure, but pretty nonetheless. This is Hotel Amigo, which used to be a prison. Supposedly, the Spanish soldiers mistakenly thought the place was called vriend, which means friend, instead of vrunt, which means prison. Here is Mannequin Bis. There are a ton of stories as to why the statue is here, but for today, he is specially dressed as a student for the student exam period.
Because the student unions have their special days, it's exam period at the universities. So, why is this fountain of a little boy peeing in your property?
Now we're starting our chocolate tour. We are in our first chocolate shop, BS40. Definitely recommend. I'm sure it also comes as no surprise that I also recommend Neuhaus. By the way, Victor Hugo lived in this building. We thought Mary's was also really good. Our guide said it was the best confectionery shop, but not the best chocolate shop. Alright, we're doing a quick detour from the chocolate portion of the tour to visit Jenica Piss, and to our surprise, it was her birthday. This is Delirium Village Tap House, which held a world record for the number of offered beers. We passed by Zenica Piss, which means we saw all three major Piss statues.
Speed, you're sitting down.
Now it's time to make some chocolate treats. While we were making and munching, we were learning more about the history of chocolate and the differences of different types, etc., etc. Gallet is also a really good chocolate shop that I highly recommend. However, our favorite by far is Herman van Dender. If you only had time to go to one, this is the one I'd recommend. What do you think?
To my doctor, I'm not really eating anything.
But it's delicious.
It's delicious.
His swollen hands.
There's like 7 flavors. Takes you on a literal roller coaster. It goes like this.
Oh.
Different. It's crazy.
Thoughts? It's what?
Ice cream.
I want a pint, please.
I have to shit my pants.
Is it gonna look like that?
But worse.
Amy couldn't resist getting chocolate-covered strawberries from Van Dender. And that was the end of the video. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Now, I know that this vlog was definitely on the shorter side, and I apologize for that. Like I mentioned in a previous vlog, there were some circumstances that did kind of contribute to shorter clips this trip, but we're trying to make the best of it. Now, I hope you guys look forward to the next vlog, because that one definitely should be longer. All right, I'll see you guys next time, and have a good weekend and a good rest of your week. Bye.